and welcome back to my channel Learn with Nikhil. So here we have taken another sum of projection of lines. If you want to learn in detail about projection of lines and all its combination, refer to my video, link is in the description box. Now moving with this sum, a line CD 30 mm long is parallel to both the planes. Further it is given the line is 40 mm above horizontal plane and 25 mm in front of vertical plane. Draw its projection. So the question says the line of length 30 mm long. So I am considering this line of 30 mm long and it is parallel to both the planes. So parallel to both the vertical plane and the horizontal plane. So line will be like this. This is parallel to horizontal plane. This is parallel to vertical plane. And if the question says perpendicular, so this is how the line will be. Perpendicular to horizontal plane, like this line will be, and perpendicular to vertical plane, line will be like this. But the question says parallel, so it will be like this. Further it says the point is 40 mm above the horizontal plane. So this is the line parallel to horizontal plane and it is above 40 mm. And 25 mm in front of vertical plane. So from this it is 25 mm in front of vertical plane. So this is above horizontal plane 40. So this distance will be 40. From the front view, the view will be like this. And from the top view, it is 25 mm in front of VP. So this distance is 25. So from the top view, the view will be like this. So for drawing, first we'll draw the axis. We are drawing only the front view and the top view, that is the vertical plane and the horizontal plane. So no require of the third plane, that is profile plane. So drawing the axis. This is center point O, x dash, y dash, and this will be xy. Now the line CD is 30 mm long and it's parallel to both the planes. So as we have seen, so it will be above this at a height of 40 mm. So I marked a point 40 mm above horizontal plane and the length of the line is 30 mm. So from here I am constructing 30 mm. We'll move this point above 40 mm. And we'll draw a horizontal line, dark line. So this is the front view of the line which is above 40 mm of HP, that is horizontal plane. This will be C dash, D dash. Now taking its projection below for the top view. Now in top view also it is parallel, so it will be a horizontal straight line, but it is in front of VP at a distance of 25. So this is, we have drawn the front view, that is 40 above. Now top view will be 25 in front. So this distance is 25 and as it is parallel, it will be a horizontal straight line. So we'll mark a point 25 mm. This is in front of vertical plane and we'll draw a parallel line. So this is the top view of the line. This will be C and D. We'll mark the dimensions. So this distance is 40. This distance is 25 as it is in front of VP. So the upper part is the VP or the front view. So I'll mark this is VP or front view. This is horizontal plane or the top view. And we are done with the sum. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next lecture. If you have any doubts, any queries, let me know in the comment section.